We are with Mr. Hitendra Uppal, Managing Director of SAN Telequip. They are based out of Pune and for the last 3 decades, making in India, especially the products for IoT, hardware for Industry 4.0. Sir, can you please take us through your journey in the last 30 years, how the industry changed, the product portfolio changed over the last 3 decades?
As the technology has moved, earlier it was serial port connectivity, later on it moved to Ethernet, then fiber, and then now IoT. That is the in thing, buzzword nowadays. So SAN Telequip journey has also been moving along with the technology. We started with simple 232 products and then moved to Ethernet, then moved to fibers. Now we are in switches and routers and catering to all major verticals that exist now.
So you are in Automation Expo and you have also launched a couple of new products. Can you just talk about these new innovations from SAN Telequip?
Yes, we have recently launched 3 new products. One is the HART to Modbus Gateway, which normally is being used for water flow metering applications, mainly for the process industry. And then we have a remote I/O which is modular. This remote I/O can take about 72 inputs and then give the output on either Modbus TCP or Modbus RTU, or it can also go on 3G, 4G on cellular. And then we have also launched 10G switches.
Okay. Sir, how you see India as a manufacturing destination is transforming, adapting the latest technologies or Industry 4.0 solutions?
I think it is so very clear now with so much of push from the government of India for Make in India, and then all the government requirements strictly adhering to Make in India clauses. I think all of us have no choice but to do as much of local indigenization and local development. So companies like us get a lot of benefit there because all the IoT gateways and the other connectivity products that we do here, that definitely gets a preference. So I think for next 5-10 years, there is going to be tremendous changes in the way things are being made in India. And all the producers will have to slowly move towards doing it in India.
One more thing, what I am saying is most of the competition you have are international players, multinationals. So, how you see the competition and how on the global platform SAN Telequip can, perform?
I think this is the same across all segments of industry where you have local players and where you have international players. So it all depends upon how you invest in designing those products. And if you benchmark them against the international products and international quality, I think you can always go out. So it really does not, there is no limit, there is no bar. It is purely the vision that should matter.
As you told, next couple of years, it is the future for India as a manufacturing destination. We wish SAN Telequip all the very best.
Thank you very much.